Eric Peterson with Arborisk here. Today's weekly business tip, we're going to talk about what you need to be expecting from your insurance agent and insurance agency. Now, many people say insurance is a necessary evil, and there's some truth to that. But when you choose the right insurance partner for your business, it becomes a necessity. So you should be looking at your insurance partner as one of the integral pieces of your business. Someone that could serve on your board of directors, like your business attorney or accountant. That relationship that your insurance agent has with you can help you make better decisions for the future of your organization. So I want to explain the few differences of insurance agents. We have captive insurance agents and independent agents. Captive agents are ones that work for one company, Allstate, State Farm, American Family. And independent agents work for multiple insurance companies, and therefore they're able to give you better options. Most tree services are insured by independent agencies. The second part is the difference between the agent and the agency. The agent is typically an employee or maybe a subcontracted sales contractor, a 1099 employee, 1099 relationship, where the agent is the individual that interacts directly with the consumer, the client, the tree service. And then the agency is the one that's responsible for building the company contracts, the insurance company contracts, for building out risk management resources in that. So your agent is the one that should be bringing you the resources from the agency. Now, unfortunately, most agencies just rely on the insurance company to bring these risk management programs and everything to place. So if you understand the agent and the agency, as well as captive and independent, you're in a good spot. Now, what I believe is there are 5 areas of knowledge that your agent should know about before, or be vigilant, diligent in before they can help work with your insurance. The very first one, obviously, is insurance coverage. They need to know what they're talking about from an insurance perspective. Second part is claims handling. Have they been through claims? Do they understand what claims happen in the tree care industry? What are their back history and knowledge of the claims history or claims management? The most important piece here is the risk management side of things. They have to have a good knowledge of risk management. You know this, you pay your insurance premium, and the size of that insurance premium is directly related to the claims that you've had in the past. So your insurance agent and agency needs to have a risk management focus to help you lower and reduce or eliminate injuries and accidents. If they're doing that, that's the biggest part of their job, to help you keep your costs low and run a profitable business in the future. The fourth one should be tree care industry experience or knowledge, right? They need to know what the tree care industry is all about. It's a bonus if they attend conferences, if they present, if they sponsor events, all that kind of stuff. But they need to at least have a knowledge of the tree care industry so that you don't have to explain to them what you do every time you call to add a vehicle or a piece of equipment in that. And the last area of knowledge that an insurance agent should possess would be just general business knowledge. If they're going to be one of your business advisors, they should have some understanding of how the business is run, how many multiple hats you wear as the business owner, and just give a basic overview, an understanding, I should say, of how a business operates. That directly translates in how they can effectively implement and help work with you on risk management to make yourself a better company. So, unfortunately, there are times when you have to switch agencies and move to a different agency. So I want to just give you a few quick tips on how to do that process smoothly and professionally. The biggest one is communicate clearly, right? Tell directly to your old agent that you have to make this decision for business purposes because of, give them at least 3 reasons. Because of these 3 reasons, and you can use the knowledge areas that we just talked about as your reasoning. But the other part of that is you want to make sure you prepare for objections, because whatever reasons you give them, your agent sure is going to be trained and is going to have an objection to each one of those reasons. So think through what they could say so that you're ready for it. And ultimately, make sure you remember why you need to make the change, why your business is going to be better off in the new with the new agency than the current agency that you're with. So hopefully this helps give some understanding of what to expect from your insurance agent and agency. If you have any questions or want to talk about this further, please reach out to an Arborisk team member today. Remember, be safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon.